guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Scentsy. I'm so excited for this. This is the new Nightmare Before Christmas Lock, Shock, and Barrel Warmer. And I did get the Oogie Boogie one, but he's on back order. So once I get that, I'll unbox that too so you can see what it looks like. Oh, how cute. I haven't opened this yet. I like the packaging. I mentioned before, I love Nightmare Before Christmas. Oogie Boogie's my favorite. I do like Shock, Lock, and Barrel. Jack I like, but I don't really care for Sally and some of the other characters, but so excited for this. So here's the metal part of the kids. One of the little rings in case we need it. All black base. Light bulb. Oh, it's so cute. I like the plugins, the little smaller wall ones. So I knew I had to get this, and it looks like you just insert that there, so that's pretty easy. This is like a, what do you want to say, unfinished or matte. It doesn't have a gloss to it. And it has Jack and a moon, and a little handle, holes in the back. And this is glossed in here, so it's going to wipe out easier. So let's... So yeah, it doesn't stand too well because the leg's up in the air. So let me flip that upside down while I assemble it. So I did have to reference the box a little bit. I couldn't get the, I was scared to twist this, but I saw it had to face this way according to the picture. So I twisted that. It's nice and snug in there. And then this has to go in this order to make it fit in there. So cute. Let's go plug it in. So here's what it looks like plugged in. You can see Jack really well and all the details in the background. Super cute, and it is kind of casting like a shadow back here as well. So yeah, very cool. So if you guys would like to order anything, or hopefully this one's still available, I'm not really sure. I ordered it the second it came active on their website, but I will put my party link below in case you're interested. And stay tuned if you want to see the Oogie Boogie one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.